Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best shoe racks in 2020. To see the price and more information about these shoe racks, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. At number 5, we have the Songmax Bamboo Shoe Rack. We were looking for a bamboo wooden shoe rack that has more utility and functionality than just keeping shoes. This is a good choice. It is a multi-functional rack that has been constructed using great quality materials, so that you never have to compromise with the quality and reliability. Constructed using environment-friendly yet sturdy and strong MDF board, this shoe rack has a high weight-bearing capacity and impressive workability. Also, it has a very flexible design, so that you can double this rack for keeping plants, baskets, etc. In addition to that, this is a 6-tier wooden shoe rack that will provide you with ample storage room for the keeping of a significant number of shoes in one single place. At number 4, we have the Sogesfurniture Shoe Rack. The Sogesfurniture bring home a stylish freestanding wooden shoe rack that will elevate the overall decor and appeal of your interior by great margins. This is designed to be perfectly suited for modern style homes and complement the various type of interior decor easily. Although you will get enough room for storage of shoes, the overall shape and styling are quite compact, suited for homes with a space crunch. The 5-tier design is an added benefit to ensure that even if you have a large number of the shoe, you can do that with ease. A total of 20 pairs of shoes can be accommodated in one single rack and never look messy or unorganized ever. The package includes all the necessary hardware, tools and instructions you will require during the installation process, thereby making the setup much easier and convenient. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3, we have the Homfa Bamboo Shoe Rack. A supremely constructed using 100% natural bamboo, the strong and durable shoe rack also takes care of the environment while providing you with space for keeping shoes. Capable of doing much more than keeping just shoes, you can set it up at any given place at your home. Plus, use it for organizing different things. The classy black finish looks very elegant to the eyes. In fact, makes it a perfect addition for homes that have beautifully styled interior decor. As it has a 5-tier design, you will have a great amount of room for organizing the shoes. At number 2, we have the Furinno 4-tier shoe rack. To make your home or workspace look more beautiful, get this well-designed and fashioned shoe rack from Furinno. Featuring a very simplistic styling and design, this is well suited for versatile applications. Therefore, it can be used in all kinds of rooms. One of the best things about this rack is its quality of construction. The solid pine wood construction finished with lacquer, you are getting a rack that is extremely durable, strong, sturdy and also very reliable by all means. Lastly, at number 1, we have the Tangkula 5-tier shoe rack. Sitting at the top, this shoe rack is going to be an ideal addition at your home or work, so that your space looks beautiful and functions even better. Constructed using the finest quality of solid wood, the durability and bearing capacity is unmatched on this rack. In addition to that, the overall design is quite marvelous. As a result, it will readily enhance the decor of the space surrounding it. The total number of 5 racks rewards you with ample storage space for all you and your family's shoes. No more of seeing the shoe line here and there. Now you can organize every different shoe at one single place for great convenience. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.